Assalamualaikum student. I am your math teacher. Today we will start from lesson number 2 of chapter number 1, that is 4 operations. Lesson number 2 is dividing by tens, hundred and thousand. Today we will learn only about dividing by tens. If we have one disc of 10, if we divide 10 by 10 we will get answer 1. So we will write 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1 because 10 1 the 10. If we have one disc of 100 divided by 10 we will get answer 10. If we have one disc of 1000 which will be divided by 10 then we will get answer 100 because if we divide manually by 100 by 10 10 1 the 10 and these two zeros move at above. So 10 100 the 1000. So we will write 1000 divided by 10 is equal to 100. You can see 1 0 cancel with 1 0. If there is a 10 divided by 10, 1 0 cancel with 1, there remain 1. If there is 100, 10 divided by 10, 1 0 cancel and there remain 10. If there is 1000 which is divided by 10, then 1 0 of 10 is cancel with 1 0 of 1000 and there remain 100. Similarly, if we have to divide 200 by 10, 200 by 10, there is 0 ones, 1 tens and 2 tens. So there is 1 disc of 10 and 2 disc of hundreds. And we are divided by 10. So when we divide 10 by 10 we will get answer 1. So there remain 1 disc of 1. And if when we will divide 100 by 10 we will get 10, 2 disc of 10. Or we may write 2010 divided by 10 is equal to 21 because if we divide by simple method 210 by 10, 10 to the 20, by subtracting we will get answer 1. This one 0 move below, so this become 10 10 1 the 10 and their remainder 0 or we mark as cross. So our answer is 21. Similarly we can solve question number 2, that is divide, use number disc to help you. There is 30 divided by 10. 30 divided by 10 means there are 0 disc of ones and 3 disc of tens. Divided by 10. We will get by dividing by 10 3 disc of ones. It means 3 tens becomes 3 ones and we will divide by tens. So we may write as 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3. Similarly, part C of question number 2 is 8600 divided by 10. So there are 0 disc of 1, 0 disc of 10 and 6 disc of 100. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And 8 disc of 1000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So when we will divide 8600 by 10, so then disc of hundreds become tens. Disc of tens, so there is 6 disc of tens because when we will divide 100 by 10 we will get the answer 10. So every disc of 100 become disc of 10. When we will divide 1000 by 10 we will get answer 100. So there are 8 disc of hundreds. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 disc of 100. 8 disc of 1000 become 8 disc of 100. So we may write as 8600 divided by 10 is equal to 860 because 1 0 cancel with 1 0. Now we solve example number 3, that is a factory use 6000 kg of sugar over 30 days. We have to find sugar did the factory use each day. That is 6000 divided by 30. So 6000, when we divide 6000 by 30, we may write 30 as, we may write 6000 divided by 10 divided by 3, or 6000 divided by 3 divided by 10. We may change place of 3 and 10. There are two methods. One is disk method and second is division method, that is simple division. In first method, if we use disk method, there are 6 disks of 1000. When we firstly we divide by 10, when we will divide 6 disks of 1000 by 10, we will get 6 disks of 100. Now we will divide these 3 disks of 100 by 3. When we will divide 100 by 3, there remain only 2 disks, because 3 to the 6. So there remain 2 disks of 100. Now method 2 is 6000 divided by 30. We may write as 6000 divided by 3 divided by 10. First we divide 6000 by 3, 3 to the 6, 3 zeros. So there remain 2000. Our answer, by dividing 6000 by 3, we will get answer 2000. And when we will divide 2000 by 10, we will get answer 200. We may use either of both methods. Now example number 4 is divide 1220 by 20. I will break 20 as 10 and 2, or 2 and 10, because 20 is multiple of 10. First, initially we will divide by 1220 by 10, then I will get to 122. We will divide 122 by 2, we will get 2 6 the 12. This 2 move below, 2 1 the 2. So our answer is 61. Similarly, if we divide initially 1220 by 2, 2 6 the 12 below, 2 1 the 2, and this 0 move on in quotient. So our answer is 610. When we will divide 610 by 10, 0 cancel with 0 and there remain 61. In both methods, either we divide initially a given number by 10 or by 2, answer is same. Now question number 5 is divide. Part A है. Question number 5, divide. Part A is 80 divided by 40. So I will break 40 as 4 and 10, because 40 4 10 the 40. So I will write 80 divided by 10 divided by 4. Initially I will divide 80 by 10. 10 8 the 80. We divide 80 by 10, we will get answer 8 divided by 4 as it is. And now I will divide 8 by 4. 4 to the 8. So our answer is 2. Now part B is 720 divided by 60. I will break 60 by 60 as 6 and 10. So 720 divided by 10 divided by 6. Initially I will divide 720 by 10. 10 7 the 70. By subtracting we will get answer 2. This 0 move below, 10 to the 20. So by dividing 720 by 10 we will get answer 72 divided by 6 as it is. So now I will divide 72 by 6. 6 1 the 6. By subtracting I will get answer 1, and this 2 move below. Now 6 to the 12. So our answer is, by dividing 72 by 6 we will get answer 12. Now I will solve part D, that is 43,400 divided by 70. I will break 70 as 10 divided by 7. Initially I will divide 43,400 by 10. 10 for the 40. By subtracting we will get answer 3. This 4 move below. So 34, 10 3 the 30. By subtracting we will get answer 4. This 0 move below, 40. 10 for the 40. By subtracting we will get answer 0. This 0. Now this 0 move below, 10 0 the 0. So by dividing 43,400 by 10, we will get answer 4,340 divided by 7 as it is. Now I will divide 4,340 by 7. 7 6 the 42. By subtracting we will get answer 1. This 4 moving below. 7 to the 14, and by subtracting we will get answer 0, and this 0 move above in quotient, so there remain 620. So divide 1340 by 7, we will get answer 620. Similarly, you can solve part C of this question. Part C is 3630 by divided by 30. You will break 30 as 10 and 3. First divide by 10, then divide by 3. Practice of this lesson that is given on page number 36 is your homework. Now we will solve worksheet number 2A, dividing by 10, 100 and 1000, and subtopic is dividing by 10. Fill in the blanks. There are given disc of 10s divided by 10. As we already know, if we divide 10 by 10, we will get answer 1. So disc of 10s become 1s, and we will get answer 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3. Similarly, if we divide 10 by 10, we will get answer 1, and when we will divide disc of 100 by 10, we will get answer disc of 10. So when we will divide 310 by 10, we will get answer 31. Now question number 2 is divide 340 by 20. Now you can see 20 is multiple of 10, so I will write 20 as 340 divided by 10 divided by 2. Initially when I will divide 340 by 10, I will get answer 34, because 0 cancel with 0, or you may perform division. Now I will divide 34 by 2. 2 1 the 2. By subtracting we will get answer 1. This 4 move below, so 2 7 the 14. So our answer is 17. Similarly, you can do part B of this question. Now part C is 15,480 divided by 60. 60 is multiple of 10, so I will write 10 divided by 6. For initially I will divide 15,480 by 10, we will get 1648. This is rough working. Now I will divide 1548 by 6. 6 to the 12. By subtracting we will get answer 3. This 4 move below. 6 5 the 30. By subtracting we will get answer 4, and this 8 will move below. 6 8 the 48. So our answer is 258. Now I will solve question number 3, which is divide 760 divided by 10. By dividing 760 by 10, we will get answer 76, because 0 cancel with 0, or this is rough working for this question. Similarly, you can solve all these part B, C, D and E of this question. Now I will solve part F of this question. 2800 divided by 70. I will break 70 as 7, 10 and 7. So initially I will divide 2800 by 10. I will get answer 280. This is rough work for this part. Now 280 is divided by 7. 7 for the 28, and 0 move upward. So our answer is 40. Similarly, you can solve part G of this question. You can write 20 as 35,700 as it is, divided by 10 divided by 2. So when you will divide by 10, you will get answer 3570, because 0 cancel with 0, there remain 2 divided by 2. Now I will divide 3570 by 2. 2 1 the 2. By subtracting we get 1. This 5 move below. 2 7 the 14. By subtracting we will get answer 1. This 7 big move below. 2 6 the 2 8 the 16. 1. This 0 move below. 2 5 the 10. So our answer is 1785. This is our required answer. Similarly, you can solve part H of question number 2. 66,000 divided by 30. 30 is multiple of 10, so I will write 10 divided by 3. First, initially 66,000 divided by 10, we will get answer 6600 because 1 0 cancel with 1 0. Now by dividing 3, we will get answer 2200. This is our working for this question. Similarly, you can solve question number 4. Fill in the blank.